And Kapil Sibal has reacted to Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar's remark on the judiciary. He's questioned the Vice President's comments, saying a constitutional functionary questioning the judiciary is simply not correct. Kapil Sibal has reiterated, as a senior advocate himself, that there's trust in the judiciary and that some in the government aren't happy with the judiciary's decisions and so are questioning the judges.
जब 2 जज का फैसला है वो गलत है क्योंकि सरकार के पक्ष में नहीं है, बट कृष्णा अय्यर का फैसला बिल्कुल ठीक था, वो तो एक जज थे। तो ये किस किस्म की बातें हो रही हैं पब्लिक डोमेन में? मुझे तो मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता एक ऐसा वक्तव्य देना कि अब आर्टिकल 142 इज न्यूक्लियर मिसाइल। What was a nuclear missile was नोटबंदी, not 142। अभी जो फैसले हो चुके हैं उनको मानते नहीं, जो क्योंकि आप सोचते हो कि वो गलत हैं, और जो आप सोचते हो सही हैं क्योंकि सरकार वो ऐसा चाहती है तो वो सही है।
Srishti Ojha, our legal correspondent, is joining us with more details on this. Srishti, Kapil Sibal, of course, member of parliament, but more importantly also someone who is an advocate, and most lawyers seem rather divided by the comments made by the Vice President.
Well, yes, Akshata, senior advocate Kapil Sibal today in this press conference has taken strong objection to the statements that have come in from the Vice President, especially against the Supreme Court's recent verdict regarding the governors and the presidents and the time limit, basically, that was set by the top court to for passing of the bills that are sent to them. Now, senior advocate Kapil Sibal, taking strong exception to the language used by the Vice President, has clearly said that it's important to understand the positions of the position of a president who's not acting in his or her individual capacity, but acts on the aid and advice of Council of Ministers. So according to him, the Vice President's statements is technically not correct. He's also said that if executive does not do its job properly, then Supreme Court, the judiciary, has it's its right to interfere and issue these directions. The judiciary is doing this for the citizens of the country. Again, saying that if there's some issue that any party has with a particular judgment passed by the top court, there's always a solution available, a recourse of a review of that particular judgment that's available. Such statements to castigate the judges should not be made, because judges in their capacity cannot respond to these statements which are coming, which come in by the Vice President. Not just that, he's also said that when you go to the Parliament, the chair of the Speaker is right in the centre, which basically signifies that they have to be neutral. Speaker of Lok Sabha or Chairman of Rajya Sabha, according to Mrs. Sibal, cannot speak for any particular party. They should remain neutral. So therefore, these statements that have come in are not correct, according to Mrs. Sibal. Back to you.
You know, it sparked off a very interesting debate. You're seeing that in the kind of reactions that are coming in as well. Thanks very much, Srishti, for those details. But what exactly did the Vice President say?